Please hurry, Chase. I'm timing you.
Oh, I was like, where did they go?
Oh no! No! It's not
Wi-Fi on.
Oh, I feel so bad. Miss Sassy, I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
But you're laughing the whole time. Why?
Jesus face.
Oh no! It's not funny at all.
Are you okay?
She hurts.
I'm sorry.
She can't see you laughing. That's terrible. Stop! I have to put the window up now. Chase is gonna be mad at you for laughing at her.
Oh, I'm crying. Can we turn the air conditioning on?
Hang on.
Oh my god. She looks like, doesn't it?
Stop. Please hurry, Chase.
He's stalling. Look at him.
You have to watch the video before you talk to Boo Boo. Oh my god. They both go to throw their garbage away from Dairy Queen. Chase comes back to the Suburban and he flings the back door open and slams her in the head with it.
Oh my god, is she okay?
She's in pain right now. She's coming in the house. But the video's coming to you. And freaking Eileen's in the freaking truck laughing the whole
I
time.
can't help it. Is she okay? I feel so
Yeah,
bad.
I guess. But anyway. Yeah. Yeah, your bourbon's okay. So look at the video.
Oh, I
You
see
should
some
have
blood.
it.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Can you turn the light on and see how wet my face is?